Because you people go there and put a like and laugh. Some of you can't even post your full photo. You can't post. I don't want to mention how some of them look like. But it's wrong. Very wrong. Body shaming is wrong. We are all created in God's image. We are all created in God's image. And you wonder why you are suffering. You are suffering because you have an ugly heart. God can actually see straight into your heart. You are imitating people who have made it because nobody can imitate you. You are a failure. Yeah. You are a failure. For the men, ooh. This men I see here on TikTok, making content. Who are your wives? Where are your mothers? Huh? We should stop entertaining this. It's not fair. When I'm done with mourning, I'm gonna come back for them. Mimi siogopi. Mimi mnaweza kunitukana. Nikitembea uchi mnaweza kunitukana. Oh, amefanya hii. Mnaweza kuhesabu mabwana zangu au wenye mnajua it's okay. Mnaweza kuita mguu yangu ni ndefu. It's beautiful. Mnaweza kusema mimi ni mweusi kama makaa. I know. It doesn't affect me because it's not a disability. But when the moment you mention disability, do you know how many women are on this app that are struggling with children born with disabilities? Do you know how many disabled children are hidden at home? Do you know what people go through off cameras? Do you? You are 20. Do you know what's going to happen to you between now and the time you are 40 or 50? Hujafa hujaumbika. Very shameful. We don't pray for bad, but some of you might end up in wheelchairs. Some tears don't go free. Watch out. Do your thing. At content creators, Magichia. Hakuna content creators, Kenya. Create content with your own life. We see. Wake up in the morning to pika wali, nazi. Create content with your children, with your husband. That is content. See your content kwa mkazu na kutukana akode. Then akode is the content, not you. Do not call yourself content creator when you're creating content with other people. Uko mbali sana na content. Ati una imitate mtu alafu unajiita ati content. Content gani? Sasa hiyo ni content aje?